In today's world, pest management must go beyond elimination. It must safeguard our health, protect the environment, and contribute to long-term sustainability. Government agencies, conscientious public and private corporations, nonprofits, environmental consulting firms, and academic institutions all face a shared challenge: how to manage pests effectively while reducing harmful pesticides in the environment. At Ecological Engineers, we specialize in transforming pest management practices. Our science-based eco-conscious strategies are designed to reduce the pesticide footprint of federal agencies, starting with structural pest control and expanding to landscape management. By minimizing pesticide dependency, we not only protect biodiversity and natural habitats, but also reduce the number of pesticide applicators needed, supporting DOJE goals for operational efficiency. Pesticide exposure has been linked to serious health concerns, which are now well documented. That is why our approach aligns with RFK Jr. in the MAHA agenda, promoting public health by significantly reducing toxic exposure across government-managed environments and beyond. Our team collaborates with public agencies, researchers, corporations, and environmental leaders to develop and implement low and non-toxic, sustainable pest solutions. We help our partners craft common-sense approaches that will challenge the norms in pest management. We recognize and embrace the fact that we are disruptors in the pest management industry, which has been chemically dependent for decades. Partner with Ecological Engineers to lead the way in responsible pest management, one that protects health, preserves ecosystems, and supports a future where excessive pesticide use is no longer the norm.